All right, next we're going to take a look at the LED monitor light for a PC. I have an Apple, but I think it'll work the same for Apple as it would for a PC, right? It's all you do is stick it on top of your screen. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how what it looks like inside this box. Oh, this one's got a lot of stuff in it. This is a USB cord. I don't know what that is. We'll have to figure it out. Looks like we got to put it together. Set her down here. All right, so this is the USB cord, I'm sure. I don't know if it has the, yeah, it's just a regular. It's a C, which I like. That's good. Set that stuff there. This here has got to be some kind of a attachment for the for your screen. Yep. This one's a little bit more involved. Looks like the screen goes on here, and then the lights here. And this is the light itself. All right. So there's a plug here. So this is a USB-C, and you got to plug your USB in there. And then this, I just guess it goes like this. Goes through there, like that, until you get to the USB-C area. So the USB-C's got to come through here. Let's see if we can get it to do that. There we go. All right, so I got it in there. And now we can go ahead and, this is a counterweight here, and that just sits on there. You've got to put this bad boy here is going to go in there like this. Yep, just like that. And then all we got to do is plug this in, either to the computer or something that would work as, you know, that's connected to an electrical supply that brings the voltage down to whatever this is. I guess it's 12 volts. So anyway, it's pretty long. It's a pretty good long cord. I mean, the cord's worth it. And this here doesn't look like it has a, this doesn't look like it has any chain. I guess you just got to go like that when you put it on. All right, let's try it out and see how she works. Okay, so we've got everything set up. We got this plugged in. We got our counterweight, and I do believe this, I'm just going to slide right here on top. So that just kind of sets there like that. And then this I got to plug it in. I'm going to plug it in over here on the side because I don't think I need. There we go. Oh, look at that. And this one, I guess it's touch screen up here. So we've got different things we can do. Here's the on and off. And it raises the brightness. Let's see what this does. This changes the color. What do we got over here? That's an on and off too. That's on, that's off. This doesn't really do anything. This lights up. I don't know what that means. This changes the color. And this brings it up. So that's interesting. Well, so let's take a look, gander at this. All right, so now it's off. 1, 2, 3, different settings. And then off. Let's just go to the first setting. Then let's go over here. This changes the colors. Let's go back here and let's get it a little bit brighter and change those colors. Okay, let's go over here and see what goes on. So this just turns it on and off, and it goes to whatever setting you had it at. So let's back it up and look. So this is nice. You can really see everything down here. And I think that's going to be very helpful. And then here's the colors. And there's the intensity. I think I like, not that, I like this one. That's a pretty good. So that's it. That's basically how it works. I plugged it in here, but you can plug it into your computer, USB port. But I think that's the way it's going to work. And there it is. The Quntis light for your PC or iMac in this case. And here's how it goes on. It's very simple. You just set it right on there like that. And this counterweight kind of just holds it there. I mean, if you hit it, it might fall off. You could probably push it on there a little bit tighter. It kind of squeezes. But that's it. That's how it works. Yeah, first place. You see that? All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this.